This Pulaim electric strike door lock system offers hands-free entry with a wireless remote and interior exit button, so you can buzz visitors in or step out without walking to the door. The strike is designed for both metal and wood doors using common cylindrical or mechanical lock sets, making it a flexible upgrade for many existing doors. Being able to choose between fail-safe and fail-secure operation gives you control over how the lock behaves during a power outage, which is important for both safety and security planning. The lock is rated for frequent use and built to withstand a very high impact force when powered, which inspires confidence for residential and light commercial applications. The kit is unusually complete, including the strike, mounting hardware, diode, power adapter, interior button, buzzer, remote control, and even installation stickers to simplify setup. Overall, this system delivers a convenient, reliable door buzzer solution that feels thoughtfully put together for people who want straightforward access control without complex wiring.